बहुत खुश है कि बस है। आई थिंक कश्मीर से जब हमने एक दो चीज़ें ट्वीट करी थी, वहीं से समझ में आ गया था कि बस बहुत होने लगा फिल्म के बारे में। आई एम वेरी हैप्पी। आई थिंक इट्स अ सलमान खान फिल्म। आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कमिंग बैक विद हिम आफ्टर एक था टाइगर। तो होपफुली टाइगर से भी ज़्यादा बज़ होना चाहिए। और जो अभी रिएक्शन अभी मिला फैन से, आई थिंक उससे ज़्यादा ही बज़ होगा। Just sort of happy with the film we've made. Both Salman and I are really happy and excited about the film that we've made. And once people see the teaser promo, they'll realize, you know, the context of what we're talking about. And we're just going about and just putting it out there. So basically what happened was that ever since we came back from Kashmir, I was actually literally getting trolled and abused by the fans कि क्यों नहीं दिखा रहे आप, क्यों नहीं दिखा रहे. So I was constantly in touch with them and we've decided to adopt like a fan first strategy for this film. So that's why I decided, let's do a contest, let's select 50 fans and give them the privilege of seeing the trailer 24 hours before anybody else sees it. So I think it's been worth it. I think they'll go and they'll create the buzz out right now. So the teaser promos are going to come out and then we'll start rolling out everything. Then the final trailer will also be coming out very soon. We'll keep announcing the dates as and when they're ready. क्योंकि हमने एक फैंस को दिमाग में रख के ये पूरा प्लान किया है, तो काफ़ी सोशल नेटवर्किंग का इस्तेमाल होगा इस कैंपेन में एंड जितना हो सकता है फैंस को इन्वॉल्व करने की कोशिश होगी। नहीं, एक वो जो प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस हुआ था, ऑनेस्टली दैट प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस वाज नॉट टू रियली प्रमोट द फिल्म. इट वाज टू जस्ट से थैंक यू टू द पीपल एंड द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ कश्मीर, क्योंकि कश्मीर का जो हमारा शेड्यूल है, जो सबसे लंबा शेड्यूल था इस फिल्म का, 40 दिन का शेड्यूल था. इट वेंट ऑफ ब्यूटिफुली. एवरीबडी एंजॉयड देमसेल्व्स. सलमान हैड अ ब्लास्ट मीटिंग द पीपल. आई थिंक the support that we got from the people and the administration was outstanding, and that's why we finished in advance. We finished actually 5 days before schedule. Not really. I think that's something we have to take in our stride. I think we're just going ahead and planning the way we would normally plan a campaign for a film. So I don't think any other extraneous factor is playing on our mind. We sort of, without going into too many details, the thing is that these dates don't come up as a surprise. These are dates that are announced way in advance, and we take it into our schedule. We plan around them and continue our work. So nothing really sort of stopped our work. We continued and finished the schedule, in fact, before time.